Hey y'all, before we do anything else, I want you to take one breath on your own right now. Just one natural, easy breath. Good. Now, what I'm about to guide you through is called the Crescent Breath. It's a breath I designed and it's simple, it's powerful, and it's gonna make you feel really good in your body. All you need is your breath, a comfortable seat, and about 3 to 5 minutes. Alrighty? Let's do this. I'm going to show you what it looks like first. Then we're going to do about 4 rounds together. Each round is one full breath cycle. That's one inhale, one exhale, and one return. I'll guide you through every single cue. All you have to do is follow. We'll start by sitting comfortably, spine tall but not rigid, hands resting on our thighs, head neutral, eyes closed, or a soft gaze down. First, bring your lips together. Now open them just slightly, like you're about to whistle, but softer than that. Not pursed tight, soft. Through that opening, a slow, deep, controlled inhale. Let it be long, full, and intentional. As you near the top of your breath, chin begins to rise, slowly drawing a crescent arc up toward the sky. Simultaneously, your shoulders begin to lift, gently squeezing at the top. Meet the tension firmly. Do not strain to fight it. You're at the top now. Breath full. Hold it here for just a moment. Now, exhale with a gentle force. Let it pour out. As it builds, chin drops slowly and steady all the way down to your sternum. Shoulders joining the fall too. Body releases completely. Let it all go, and I mean all of it. Now, soft inhale through the nose. Head returns to neutral, shoulders settle. Exhale naturally. Now join me for the next few rounds. Inhale deeply through parted lips. Bring your chin to the sky, drawing that crescent arc as your breath peaks while elevating your shoulders. At full breath, squeeze your shoulders and hold for a moment. Now with a gentle force, exhale, dropping your chin gently right to your chest and dropping your shoulders for a full upper body release. Now a soft inhale through the nose, head returns to neutral, shoulders settle, and exhale naturally. Again, inhale deeply through parted lips, nice and slow. Bring your chin up to the sky, drawing that crescent arc as your breath peaks while elevating your shoulders. At full breath, squeeze your shoulders gently and hold for a moment. Now with a gentle force, exhale, gently dropping your chin right to your chest, dropping your shoulders for a full upper body release. Now soft inhale through the nose, head returns to neutral, shoulders settle, and exhale naturally. Again, inhale deeply and slowly through parted lips, bringing your chin up to the sky, elevating your shoulders as your breath peaks. At full breath, squeeze your shoulders and hold for a moment. With that gentle force, begin exhaling, dropping your chin slowly to your chest, dropping your shoulders for that full upper body release. Now soft inhale through the nose as your head returns to neutral, shoulders settle, and exhale naturally. One more time, inhale deeply and slowly through parted lips. Bring your chin up to the sky, drawing that crescent arc once more as your breath peaks while elevating your shoulders. At full breath, squeeze your shoulders and hold for a moment. Now, with a gentle force, exhale, dropping your chin right to your chest, Let this last exhale be the longest one yet. Chin all the way down, body completely soft. Stay here for a moment. When you're ready, inhale slowly through your nose, head back to neutral. Eyes open gently. Exhale and feel that. That is the crescent breath. That's yours now. If this landed in your body, subscribe. There's more medicine where this came from. Thank you so much for joining today's practice. We'll see you next time. Just kidding.